Hi friends, how are you? I hope you are very well. Today is very special day for us because we are going to learn modifiers of AutoCAD. It is very special tool of AutoCAD. If we will make 2D or 3D object, many times we need to change their dimension. For example, if we have to displace the object from one place to other place, we use move command. If we have to cut the length of line, we use trim command. Similarly, if we have to make two similar objects, we use copy or mirror command. So please stay on this video till end so that you don't miss anything in this video. Friends, today we are going to learn the modify command shown on the screen. That is move command, copy command, stretch command, rotate command, mirror command, scale command and trim command. So let's begin from move command. To understand the move command, let's draw a circle. Here I have drawn a circle of random diameter. Suppose we need to move this circle from here towards right. So move it, we will use the move command. Let's go and click on move. Select the circle. Right click on your cursor. Select the base point. Drag towards right. Left click on your cursor. Drop here and go. This was use of move command on a random distance. But what if we have to move this circle on a certain distance? To do that, please follow the steps shown on a screen. Let's go to click the move command. Select the circle, right click, enter D, press spacebar, and now enter 10. If we have to move on the distance of 10 mm towards right, but if we need to move 2 mm or 3 mm, please enter 2 mm. Press spacebar. You can see your circle has moved towards right on 2 mm. So that's it, the move command. Going towards further, the second one is copy command. Suppose we need similar circle of the same diameter in two numbers. So we are not going to make the similar circle by entering the commands because it will take too much time. So what we are going to do is we are going to use copy command to make two more circles of similar diameter. To do that, let's go and click on copy. Then select the circle. Right click on your mouse. Select the base point, that is here I am taking center. Then move wherever you want. Then left click on your mouse. Again you drop wherever you want by left clicking on your mouse. The next one command is stretch command. To learn this stretch command, let's draw an object which is able to stretch, because some of the object like ellipse, circle and other objects cannot be stretched. So it is very necessary to be that object that can be stretched only. So let's make an object that is able to stretch. So friends, here I have drawn an object which is able to stretch. To stretch, first of all go to the stretch command and click on stretch. Select only those parts which is willing to be stretched. In my case, I am going to stretch this part. So I will select this part only. Right click on your mouse. Choose from the corner. In your case, you choose from where you want to stretch. Left click on your mouse and then drag your mouse. You can see I am able to stretch these things. Left click to drop it. So that's it all about the stretch command. The next command is rotate command. To rotate command, first of all go on the rotate and click on there. Select the object. Right click on your mouse. Let's give a reference point along with the object can rotate. In my case, I am going to give base point on this corner. Left click on your mouse and then you can see it is rotating. So this is all about the rotate command. To drop it, left click on your mouse. The next one is mirror command. To use this mirror command, first of all go and click on mirror. Select the object. Right click on your mouse. Now give a reference point which is like mirror. So in my case, I am going to give a reference line here. To give that, left click on your mouse. Again left click on your mouse. Here it is asking erase source object. This is the source object. He is asking for erasing it or not. In my case, I am going to type N. If you want to erase it, you can type yes. N and then spacebar. This is all about the mirror command. The next one is scale. Scale is used to enlarge an object. To use the scale command, let's go on click scale. Select the object. Right click on your mouse. Choose the base point from where you want to stretch. If you want to stretch from center, then select the center. Left click on your mouse. You can see I'm able to enlarge these things. You can also make the object smaller than previous by this command. If you want to enlarge the object or make smaller the object by a fixed factor, you can type a factor. In my case, I am going to make twice the size of object. So click 2, press spacebar. You can see the object has been enlarged. This is all about the scale command. The next one is trim command. To learn the trim command, let's draw a line over this object. Now I don't want this external part or this extra part of the object. So what we'll do, we'll use the trim command to eliminate this part. To use this command, select the object, including the line and original object. Right click on your mouse. Now go and click on trim. Now click the unwanted or enlarge the things which you don't want in your original object. In my case, I don't want this and don't want this. So it has been erased. So this is the trim command how we use. The next two modifying command is fillet and array. These two commands are very interesting and useful. We will cover these two commands in our next video because this video is going to be very large if we'll include these two.